Hi, I'm Greg Cottrell, one of the co-owners of Concord 9th, and I'm going to walk you through our recent July 9th release and then our upcoming August 9th release. So if you want to start over here with me, we have the triple step thank you stamp set, which is similar to our triple step hooray stamp set, if you're familiar with that one. What we try to do is innovate around the technology that stamps and dies offer, and we love to have opportunities to play around with color. So we have 3 different pieces in this stamp set that create a 3-colored thank you sentiment, and we've sized it so it's really nice on the front of a card front, and then there's all sorts of little builder sentiments that go along with thank you. And then down here we have our floral frame stamp set, and this is kind of playing on the trend of stripes and florals, and this is a little bit more of a photorealistic type of stamp where it's different levels, and we used halftone patterns so that it creates a very dimensional look. And then it comes with a coordinating die that can cut this out, and then it can be used in conjunction with this stripes and sayings stamp set that we have down here to create like a really trendy card, and there's various sentiments in there for all occasions. So down here with our stripes and sayings, we have a large striped background, and although it's like just a striped background, we don't think of it just as a striped background. We really thought about the scale and things with this, which look really nice on a card front. And you can see you can do it horizontal, vertical, you can do it both ways and get a gingham pattern. And then we have all these little builder pieces that can go in between the stripes to give you just various different looks. And this has been a really popular set. It's a basics, it's a nice essentials to have in your crafting collection. And as you can see, it looks really nice with the floral frame here, but also would be a nice backdrop for this triple step thank you. Then over here, our turnabouts, and I'm just going to crouch down because it's easier for me to see. Turnabouts is one of our trademarked products, and we came out with our first one in April of 2017, and we've released them monthly since then, and they've become kind of one of the things that we're known for. And similar to what I was saying with the triple step thank you, we love having ways of playing around with a lot of color with stamping. And with our turnabouts, you stamp once and then rotate your paper 4 different times, and you can layer 4 different colors to get this almost printed paper looking background. And this lovely Blossoms turnabout with its coordinating die has been one of our top selling turnabouts of all time, and I think it's just because it's such a perfect backdrop and the scale of it is just so nice. So then we also came out with a pack of watercolor cards. This is something that is another one of those nice essentials just to have, like for making a quick card, or if you're not super comfortable with making like a beautiful watercolor wash. This helps take some of that work out of it for you, so you can really construct the rest of the card with already having like a pre-built watercolor wash on there. So there are 4 different designs, and you get 5 each, so there's 20 cards in the pack with coordinating envelopes. So it's been a really popular product as well. So that's our July 9th release, just barely went live. Okay, so here we have our August release over on these boards. With August, we're thinking about fall and that time of the year, and so we have another one of our turnabouts here, which is the Thankful Leaves turnabout, and it has a coordinating die. And you can see here, it just kind of creates like a scattered leaf look. And it was designed so that if you stamp it only once, it can like have leaves that cascade down the card, but if you choose to do the 4 rotations of the stamp, you get this very full leaf look. And then this die comes with the maple leaf outline. And then there is a drop-in die, so if you use them together, you get kind of a skeleton leaf. So there's versatility with that, and it's scaled nicely, again, to fit on the card. And this stamp set has a lot of really fun, bold sentiments to go in there. The birthday balloon and birthday dies, it is our birthday month. We're going to be turning 3 on August 9th, and so these 2 bundles right here are to celebrate our birthday. And so this is actually going to be an incentive set for our online customers, but our customers here at the show also have an opportunity to buy it. And then down here we have a cake builder. And there's other fun ideas that we've come up with that you'll have to stay tuned for with our release in August. But you can create fun little stacked cakes, and then with the die we have cake toppers. It's just a fun, playful birthday set. So over here, this goes a little bit more into the sophisticated side of fall. We have our So Happy For You stamp set with our floral hoop dies, and hoop wreaths are really trending right now, and so this helps to create like a really beautiful flourish on a hoop wreath with a whole bunch of different types of sentiments that can take you through fall all the way through the holidays. And right here, again with the trend of shiplap, we have a little shiplap builder. You may not be able to see real clear on the camera, but these are kind of distressed lines, and they're spaced perfectly, so you can just stamp that down real quick. And then there's these distressed stamps, which kind of follow along the lines of that whole shiplap and deconstructive look. So, and then down here, this is our Grateful for Everything stamp set with grateful dies. Hello Lovely we came out with 2 years ago, and it's been one of our most successful stamp sets of all times, and it's just a large floral spray. And this is kind of a fall take on that type of concept, and it's very large scale, so it's nice so it can like run off of the card. It's very intentionally designed to be large so that it can be cropped on the card. And you can see here, you can just use this background to make a simple drop some color on there with the outline version, or you can stamp it down and die cut the flourish and color it in. So it can be used for quick cards or more stepped up cards. So that is the rest of our release for August 9th, and stay tuned to see what else we do with these. So.